Good morning, students. Today I have come up with chapter Milestone in Healthcare. In this chapter, we will read about some important inventions in the field of medicine. The history of disease is as old as the evolution of man. It means illness is only when we were born. But in earlier times, medication was not so developed. In earlier days, when medicines were not developed, people used herbs like tulsi, giloy, turmeric to cure themselves. In earlier days, because medicines were not there, diseases like cholera, tuberculosis, which are cured easily today for the reason of death, because these are the diseases which could not be cured with herbs only. With the development in the field of science and technology, better methods of medication come into being. That has brought about many changes in our life. We should be thankful to the scientists whose contribution to the field of medication is unforgettable. Today, we are living a healthy life because of these people only. Let's learn about some important inventions and their inventors. First, we will read about thermometer. In ancient times, some experts could measure body temperature by touching the body and by feeling the pulse, but it does not give a correct idea. But nowadays, if we are having fever, we are using to measure the fever a device, thermometer. A thermometer is a device that is used to measure the temperature of human body. It helps us to know whether a person has fever or not. It was developed by Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit in 1715. A thermometer has two parts, a mercury-filled bulb and a glass tube which shows the temperature. You can easily notice on the screen a thermometer's two parts. Students, we can measure our body temperature by two ways, in Celsius and in Fahrenheit. The temperature is measured in degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. The normal body temperature of human body is 98.4 Fahrenheit, that is 37 degree Celsius. To measure the temperature, the bulb part of the thermometer is kept in the mouth or under the armpit for a minute. Here I am telling you how this thermometer works by an example of your favorite ice cream. If you take out your ice cream from the freezer, it will start melting because of the heat. Same way, because of the heat of the body, the mercury in the thermometer expands into the glass tube and shows exact temperature. I hope you understand what is thermometer, who invented this, how it works, and what is the normal body temperature of human body. Bye bye.